Yan. Si kuya mo may ganito noon malaki. Pero nakakadiri. Kinikilabutan ako. Pagtagal niya, wag mo dudumihan, Berry. Nakakatira yan, ha? Oo. Kamukha na daddy mo yun, na.
Yeah, we're playing Fantasy World. Wait, there's no mic. Oh, there's mic.
Anong tinapay?
Okay, let's play. Go. Like, let's see something. Oh my god. Let's
Oo nga, huwag ka
play
lang kumain.
this.
Pwede yan sa isa sa umaga. Oo, saka sa
Girls,
umaga.
Let's wear the shirt.
Oo.
Tanghali.
Tanghali ang happy mo.
Let's play.
Sa gabi kasi hindi na pwede kumain na madami. Kahit ikaw, Terdy.
Because I decorated
Kasi
the house
matutulog
like
na eh.
so beautiful, but I haven't shown you yet. So, hi. Yeah, got it.
Sana kanina bili tayo
I got a
masarap-sarap na
squishy.
tinapay doon.
I got a tablet squishy and I got this. Okay, so this is the daughter's room.
Sige, bibili ko tuloy si
And her
Terdy
mother
na.
is just doing a YouTube video there. And this is the parents' room. So this is the dad. And okay, so what are we gonna do? But do you like my house? Comment the video. So yeah. Okay. So when we just take a nap or something.
Malapit na naman Pasko. Tapos year 2027 na. 20,
No hat.
26. 27.
Don't remind me of that. Don't remind me how fast.
So it's a that
Sa
squishy.
totoo
I'm
lang.
not gonna make
Si abuelo mo,
this
60
dirty,
years old na. Cesar,
I think
maganda
I will
tayo.
pop it.
Pag 60 ka, ha? Kahit tatlong
What if
putahe
it-
lang.
What if it might be
Kahit tatlong putahe lang. Tapos may konting bisita si,
Okay,
si Joel, saka si
it's like
Danilo,
boring
yun lang.
here, so
Si Ben, tatlo.
let's just play.
Basta may konting
this.
salo-salo.
I love that. No.
Ako nung nag-60 ko, ang daming
I
handa.
think I
Pinaganda
will
ako ng
play
ate ko sa ni Pinky. Eksakto
This is
na
my favorite
dispedida ni
game.
Pinky nung
Like,
birthday ko. Itinapat niya na birthday ko.
Aww.
11, umalis na sila. Ang dami handa, oh.
So, okay, so gonna
Anong
play
ng birthday ko
this.
yun?
No. What did What did I get? I keep on picking and picking.
Pansit, kaldereta. Sa kalumpian siya ay okay na yun.
Yeah. Maybe.
Next year.
I cannot pick. All of the ones are good. Okay, I just pick. Just pick, please. Like.
Mami mo, 36 na. Better. 36. Ikaw, 13.
Stop talking.
13. Si Berry, 8. Ang tatanda niyo.
Stop talking.
Huwag bastos. Pagka may nag-uusap na matanda, huwag niyong babarahin niyo. Wag.
Can you please stop talking?
Thank you.
You know what? I'm bored. You know what? Let's draw. Yes. My God, there's no internet. You know what? Tag with Ryan is better
Pero
than this.
ako gusto ko hanggang 80 years old lang ako.
Why?
Sagad na yon.
Why? Why? I'm just gonna put my duck. Hey, duck. This is better than I thought. Whoa. Ah!
Solar yan, no? Ayan, no?
Oh yeah, I don't have pizza, so I will do that run.
Anong grade ka na ngayon? 30, grade 7,
Try
ano?
again. Oh, oops.
Susunod, grade 8 ka na pala.
Run again. What's wrong? Now it's gonna turn night. Woo! Daddy, what if there's dumplings in LCC?
Ano yun, Cesar?
Kunyari, squishy.
Cesar, ano yung pindumplings pagkain?
Alam yan eh.
Hindi,
Pagkain.
squishy.
Toy.
Toy? Eh, wag na toy. Diyos
Ay,
ko.
pinili lang kita.
Ayan na nga eh.
Squishy.
Not too much,
Two
money
naman.
to spend.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Si Berry para rin si Kyra. Ano, Cesar? Bili ng bili. Gusto niya gano'n. Si Terdy para si Julio. Ayaw niya. May limitasyon. Di ba nagagalit yun, Cesar, Pagka mag-gasta tayo na, okay na. Sabihin yun, kakain lang daw siya sa KFC, okay na sa kanya. Huwag na daw magastos. Lagi ako sinasabihan ng ganun. Parang si Terdy yun at si Kyra pala itong dalawa.
Let's change. Okay, I don't know which car, but you know what, let's change. Just to Emma. Okay. Now we're just gonna need, let's see the secret, but don't you guys. Why? You know what? Let's play castle. I guess. Oh man. Kalabanga.
Cesar, may lakad kay bukas.
Sabihin ko, uusap na. Dapat
Wait, do we actually have hot dog skin?
Nakausap mo, kausapin mo na.
Wait, do we have still hot dog? Abuela, do we still have hot dog?
Yes! You want hot dog? Sige.
I thought we're
Hindi
having
naman masama yun
KFC.
dahil nilalaga ako sa tubig. Nilalaga ako sa tubig bago ko ine-air fry.
Wow, so stupid.
Aaral ka mabuti, Berry, ha?
Think na.
Listen to teacher, ha?
I do nothing.
Assignment.
Dito, tulugan na to. Tanda mo, walang rito. No, this Mars. All
Berry, meron kang
Ha?
All me, ito po, may badana.
mag-pray tayo dito.
I thought
Pray tayo dito, dali. Dito
Father,
na si Julio, 30 pray.
dear Jesus,
No, you can keep using necessary basic mode until you find it. In basic mode, you can send and receive text and send. Once you buy data, it will automatically switch back to full messenger experience. So I can text.
Meron na, 30.
It says basic mode. It says I have to buy data.
30.